Alright guys, y'all already know, back with Mike LS. As y'all can see what we got going on here. Breaking it down again, people. Don't ask me why, but we breaking it down again because I told y'all Renzo is going through surgery process right now. So basically, what I'm doing tonight, I'm taking out the intake. Intake is coming out. Why the intake is coming out, just watch the video and you're gonna understand why the intake is coming out. Alright, so let's get to work, people. Let's get to work, people. Alright, so we're gonna make this nice, easy, and smooth. Right? So what I need to do is I already pre-gamed it already, people. I took out the hose basically for the airbox, that's out. I took out the belt, I took out a bolt for the alternator. So the alternator should be actually able to, oh man, I don't know if the alternator is gonna move right now. And maybe you'll need the crowbar to actually tilt it up because it's actually pressed in here. Let me get this out first, people. Let me see. Get this harness out here. That's one, and then I have to basically take this out. I believe, get this out the way. Let's get this out the way. Alright. I gotta get this out. Power source for this is for the alternator. So hopefully I can flip the alternator. Alright, so alternator power source is out. Alright. Leave that over here. Harnesses out. As I said, I can't flip this because it's kind of hard, so okay, I gotta get back to that one. What else I gotta take out? I gotta take out that hose for the intake, right? So I think that is a number 8. Where's the number 8 at? And do I need an extendo? Do I? Don't think so, people. Alright, so this is the hose for the brake booster. Let's get this out the way. Yeah, if I can. I think I can't right now. I think I'll get it out when I pull the intake out. Alright, so that part I have to disconnect the return line. I disconnect already the fuel line, so I have to disconnect this. This is the intake. So let's see how I'm gonna do that, people. Let's see. Down here is the intake. Not sure how. Let me see if there's a button or something. There was a clip or something before I took this out. I forgot how I got this out. It's always something, people. I actually could take it out through here, but look a little. Let me see if there's a clip or something. Twist it. I think there's a clip. Something snaps in. All these stuff in my way. I forgot. Okay, let me see. There we go. So this one is out. And this one's connected to the damn intake, so maybe have to, I'm trying to see how I took it out last time. I think I took it out from the top. And I put it back. Alright, but that I could get back to that also. That's nothing. Let's get back to the fuel part. Right. So I have to disconnect this harness here. Right. This is for the evap joint. That's out. This is for the return fuel line. That's out. Right. And okay, so nothing noisy. This will stay in because the whole intake is coming out. So the evap will stay. So this is the return. This is the harness. Right. Let's start taking out the disconnecting the injector harness real quick, and then everything should be easy peasy after that, people. So this is basically the injector harness is right here. So let's use the pick, and they have a safety tab on it. Something real corny they put. I don't know. Don't ask me why they made it so, corny. But it's like I'm a dentist right now. I'm trying to find there you go, see? Once that white part go up, then I'm able to, if I could reach it, pull the harness out. This is up all the way. Supposed to be a button to press. I'm pressing something, and this shit is not coming out. Oh, maybe here. I think it's right there on the top, maybe. It's a fucked up angle. Oh shit, I heard something snap. I think it's this gray thing right here. Yep, so, alright, so that's one out. 7 more to go. So once I get these out, people, it's like a dentist, like I'm trying to find a cavity. Right. Oh, this one was up already for some reason. No good. What you doing up, buddy? What are you doing up? Right. And I know how to do these good, people, because this is like my 10th time taking this ish out. So I kind of like know this, like, now, like, if it was my first time, y'all see me struggling, y'all see me like, what I gotta do, but like, I did this like so many times. I took these harnesses out and did all of this. It's like, and that's why I still got them numbered, as y'all can see, because I knew my work wasn't 100% done. So that's why I kept everything kind of numbered and I did all of that. So now we're just gonna jump on the other side, pull that out, and just really kind of unbolt it. And because I did the injectors already on this joint, and then something happened. I had to go back, take it out. So it was like a lot of things I did twice. So it's like I kind of know like what I'm doing now, and I could do it quick, and I'm comfortable because I did it already. So not like I'm an expert or whatever, but it's just certain things I did multiple times on this, and I really know this vehicle now more than before. And it's, you know, we didn't know each other, but now we kind of know each other, if that makes sense. Guess that don't make sense, right? This is up. And let me see. Alright, so I got one more. And that's my man right here in the back. The back ones is always the hardest one. It's like the back teeth. And basically, shit. Alright, so that's out. Alright, so we got that out. So now quickly, we'll be right back. And we're gonna basically the intake. Alright guys, so I got everything basically bolted. I believe I got all the harnesses disconnected. So this right here is do a quick flippy. Get it out the way. And shit, you don't wanna stay. So you know what I gotta do to make it stay? I gotta tighten it up a little bit. So I still have 15 here. So I did unloosen it, so I'll tighten this up a little bit so homeboy could just stay where it's at. There you go. Alright, let's see if we can pull this out. Hopefully I don't catch my ass like I did the first time when I took this ish out. This ish was hard as up. So here we go for the second time. I can't even like stand on the thing. Let's see. Have to stand. Let's see. Something's connected. What's holding me back? Something's holding me back. Oh, should be on. Let me see what's going on. Missing a light. Can I have another light? Got 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's holding me back here, people. Forget to take something out. What is the work here? Everything is, unless that's the line is out. I think I'm supposed to be good. Alright, let's try again. So, that stuff right here. Oh, no, it's holding me back, people. I have this thing still connected up here, but I don't think that should be a problem. Looking on the alternator side, I think I should be clear. Just looking at the harness over there. Yeah, what's the problem? We up. What's good, guys? Let's come out. Oh man, I need to bust my ass, people, in this bucket. I want this thing to work. Something in that back, feel like it's still holding. What is that? What in the back look like it's still holding me up? What is that? What is that in the back that look like it's holding me up? I took out oil injector. I might have to. It's holding me up. It's holding me up, guys. Let's see. Thank you. Gucci. Alright, let's see. Everything I see is my hose here that I gotta disconnect, and I'm gonna pull it, press it here, and I'm gonna pull this right out. I'm gonna put this new hose in. This mother was in there. So my intake, as y'all can see, basically I still see how this is looking. New gasket, OEM, cool. Alright, so we'll rest this here. Right, that's done, and let's see what we're looking at like here. Right, okay, so we gonna get some tissue. Basically, this was already cleaned up, people. So this is not nothing where I have to clean this up. I got to disconnect this again. This is for the DOD, right? The harness. And this is for the oil sensor, right? Sensor disconnected. Alright, we be back with you in 1 second. Alright guys, so y'all already know intake is out. So now I'm bolting the DOD valley. So basically I'm just gonna, everything was torqued, just basically snug it. Like deja vu, people. You see how clean that cover is? I spent a lot of time, people, a lot of time using a wire brush to clean this joint up. A lot of time, because this joint was filthy, it was black. More than likely, 9 out of 10 times it was the original joint that was in here. And I made it look like brand new, but it's time to come back up. So, all right, now we're gonna use the electric, right? Back, I have to put it back, torque it like in a pattern. So I gotta go back to my set and torque everything back in the pattern, the GM pattern, for whatever reason. So I think I had to start. start from the middle and then work my way forward and backwards, something like that. But let me. Let's get these out. P0307. Damn, I thought I screwed up on what I did something out. Yeah, that should pass. Defeat the purpose. Defeat the purpose. I use my hand to pull it out. Alright, so that part is done. Let's get these bolts out the way. Alright. Okay. Right there. Okay, y'all ready for the grand finale? DOD deactivation system is coming out. Alright. Here we go. I know y'all seen this before. Now y'all want to see this again. Basically the gasket, the new gasket basically held down in there. And it's supposed to be actually held down in here. So the gasket there hold good, but it didn't hold in here. So let's take a look at this right here. Look how nasty this look. I try my best to clean this, but this thing look horrible. Horrible. This one here, right here, people, is cylinder 7. Cylinder 7. And don't it look like it's down a little bit or something? What's wrong? No? Don't look like it's. No? Or just me? It's me? See how this one is up? See that one up? I don't know how this ish works. I don't know, but this thing right here is just super filthy, people. And let me just take a glance inside the valley to see how the valley is looking. And this is basically the lobe. And the lobe don't look bad, but I don't know. The lobe, it look like the lobe. No, I'm not a lobe expert, but that's basically how the lobe is looking, people. Just showing y'all. This is a cylinder 7 side of the lobe. I don't know, it don't look bad. It look like everything is doing what it's doing. I can see the lifter pressed down in there. See one, do I see the other one? I don't know. The other one is hiding that. Alright, I'm just gonna basically, I gotta get this cleaned up a little bit. And this is basically what's going on tonight. This right here, as I said, right, just examining this. Y'all seen this already, but I really examined this. This is cylinder 7 side. So this is the one more to the rear of the oil sensor. Right, sensor is doing what it's doing, but this right here is cylinder 7. So something is going on here. As y'all can see, all the built up oil and all the the muck right here. This right here, you see all that hard muck. This is not good. This is very not good, and I don't know in terms of, look how the solenoid is coated with burnt oil, and I don't know if any of these solenoids is functioning correctly, because I really don't know how it activates and kind of how it does what it does while it's in there. It sits in there weird, but I don't know how the solenoid works while it's in there, you know? I don't know how it works while it's in there, honestly, but it looked like garbage. All right, so stay tuned to the surgery experience. Surgeon Renzel hopefully will be going under the knife tomorrow. So just showing y'all what I got going on. Y'all already know the vibes. Life for Mike and Les. Catch you on the next one.